Right, so here we have a really simple user repository that we can use to communicate with the database for insert, for updates, for deletes. So let's use it in our controller. We're going to auto-wire the repository. We're going to say ask the infrastructure to instantiate this user repository for us, right, and provide an instance so that we can then use to store data in the database. So the way we're going to do this is that we're going to use the repository to save in the database this brand new user that we are going to store in there. It's going to come back with a user. We can use the same user object, or maybe we can maybe use a new one. So new user. This new user has been stored in the database. Now it has a primary key, which it didn't have before. It has this username and password that we sent from our registration screen. We're going to blank out the password, and we're going to send back this brand new user that has been just inserted into the database. So let's try this out. Let's restart the server. And meanwhile, let's make sure that in our database we don't have any users. So it's empty. The database is empty. Let's try now to make sure that the server is running. So the server is up and running. Let's go to our React client, and let's try now to register as Bob. Let's clear this out. Let's register. Notice that it came back from the server. Now it has a primary key now. See that? That primary key wasn't there before, and it has a value. So that's promising. That suggests that the user was able to be inserted into a database. Let's check the database. If we refresh, notice that we do have now Bob register in the database. Excellent. So we have now tested and verified that the communication from the client all the way to the server and then to the database, the entire pipeline seems to be working. Also backwards too, right? The data came back from the database back to the controller, and the controller sent it back to the client. So the entire stack seems to be integrated correctly.